Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. I am Aishwarya. So in this video we will be showing you cotton items. One is pure cotton and one is Bahalpur cotton item. So both the items are priced at $9.90 with free shipping. So if you like to book any of this item, you can directly log into our website, which is www.shriyathe.cottonhouse.com or www.shriya.shop, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So now let me show you the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a Bahalpur cotton fabric. The top fabric is pink color and the bottom fabric is green color. So both are batik printed item. This is. So you'll be getting a complete batik print on the top portion. So this is the top. A fully batik printed Bahalpur cotton top. You will be getting print only in the front side. The back portion will be plain. So this is the top. The pink color Bahalpur cotton top, and it's paired with a dual shaded Bahalpur cotton dupatta. This is also a batik dyed dupatta. This is, see, a fully batik dyed Bahalpur cotton dupatta and a printed batik printed Bahalpur cotton bottom. This is how the whole set looks. It's a pink color, dark pink color Bahalpur cotton top, and it comes with a dual shaded Bahalpur cotton dupatta and a batik printed Bahalpur cotton bottom. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. So in this pattern we have got 4 colors. This is the first combination, pink with green color combination. So the next one is kind of a bluish green with maroon color bottom. So this is the top. So all these are very comfortable fabric, will be very comfortable to wear. This is the top, a fully batik printed Bahalpur cotton top, and it comes with a dual shaded dupatta, fully batik printed dupatta this is. So this is the dupatta, a very lengthy batik printed dupatta this is. You will be getting a dual shade. The upper portion will be maroon color and the lower portion will be in the greenish blue. And this is the bottom, maroon color batik printed bottom this is. You will be getting a prints in this. See, you will be getting a batik printed at the bottom of the pant. So this is how the overall set looks. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. So now next is mustard yellow color, mustard yellow with greenish blue color bottom. So there might be a slight color variation in the items, so please bear with us. So this is the top, it's a mustard yellow color, fully batik printed Bahalpur cotton top. It's a complete batik printed item. From the top to bottom you will be getting a print. The back portion will be plain, just you will be getting a print on the back neck. So this is the top, and it comes with the dual shaded Bahalpur cotton dupatta. So all these are complete batik print. A very beautiful combination this is. Blue with mustard yellow combination and a greenish blue color bottom. So this is the overall view. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. Totally we have got 4 colors. So this is the third combination. We have got pink with green, greenish blue with maroon, mustard yellow with greenish blue, and we have got navy blue with pink color combination. So this is the last combination. It's a navy blue color top, and it's paired with the dark pink color bottom, Bahalpur cotton bottom. So this is the top. You will be getting a fully batik printed Bahalpur cotton top. A very elegant item this is, and it comes with the dual shaded Bahalpur cotton bottom, sorry dupatta this is. You will be getting a pink color in the upper portion and the navy blue on the bottom portion. So this is how the dupatta looks, a fully batik printed dupatta, and this is the bottom. Dark pink color Bahalpur cotton bottom this is. Navy blue with pink color combination. So this set is priced at $9.90 with free shipping. We have got one more pattern today. So both the patterns are priced at 990. So this is the next combination. So it's again a pink with green combination. Just the top pattern alone will varies. So this is the top you will be getting. So this is the back portion. You will be getting just a batik print on the neck portion, and this is the front portion. A kind of a geometric pattern batik prints you will be getting, and a dual shaded Bahalpur cotton dupatta. So this set is priced only at 990. So this is the dupatta. You will be getting a green color in the upper portion and the pink color in the lower portion. And the green color Bahalpur cotton bottom. So this is the bottom. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. So the color combinations will be same in both the patterns. Just the print alone will vary. It's a greenish blue with maroon color combination. So this is the front side. You will be getting a complete prints. And this is the back portion. Only you will be getting the print in the center portion. This is the top, a complete batik printed top, and it comes with the dual shaded dupatta, Bahalpur cotton dupatta. This is a very lengthy dupatta. This is the dupatta, maroon color in the upper portion and the greenish blue in the lower portion, and the maroon color Bahalpur cotton bottom. So this is the overall view. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. All these items are available in our website. So you can directly log into our website and you can place your orders. And this is the next combination. So mustard yellow with greenish blue combination. So this is the front portion you will be getting, and this is the back portion. A nice mustard yellow color top this is, and a dual shaded Bahalpur cotton dupatta. So it's a very comfortable fabric. So this is the dupatta. You will be getting a greenish blue in the upper portion and mustard yellow in the lower portion, and a greenish blue color bottom. So you will be getting a print. So this is how the print you will be getting. This print will come on the edges of the bottom. See, from all the pant you will be getting prints in the bottom. So this is the overall view. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. So we have got one more combination. It's navy blue with pink. This is the front portion of the top, a fully printed top, and this is the back portion. It's a dark navy blue color, but it's looking like a grey. A dark navy blue. This is the bottom, a fully batik printed Bahalpur cotton bottom. So the color combinations will be same in both the patterns, just the prints varies. And this is the bottom. So this is the print you will be getting. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. We have shown you 4 combination in 2 different patterns. So this is the next item. It's a soft cotton top in a navy blue color, and you will be getting a kantha stitches only in the yoke portion. On all these are hand block prints. You will be getting all over the top. So just the print alone will varies in this set. The color combinations will be same. So this is how the top will be. It's a navy blue color, fully block printed top, and it comes with the red color batik printed soft cotton dupatta. A very comfortable and a very beautiful dupatta this is. See, so you'll be getting a complete prints. So this is how the dupatta looks. A soft cotton, such a comfortable soft cotton dupatta this is, and a red color cotton bottom. So this is the bottom you will be getting. A very comfortable navy blue color soft cotton top with a soft cotton dupatta and a soft cotton bottom. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 prints. The color combinations will be same, just the prints alone will varies. So this is the next print you will be getting. You will be getting a kind of a bouquet kind of a print in this. So these are all kantha stitches and all these are block prints. The bottom and dupatta will be same for all the items. So while booking, please mention which print you want. So this is the top, navy blue color top, and it comes with the fully printed batik dyed, it's a batik dyed soft cotton dupatta and a red color cotton bottom. This is the bottom. So this set is priced only at 990 with free shipping. All our items comes with free shipping. So right now we don't have a COD option. Only prepaid orders are available. This is the next print you will be getting. Kind of a mango print. So in the dupatta also you will be getting a kantha stitches. All these are kantha stitch. So this is how the set looks. A fully printed soft cotton top with a batik dyed soft cotton dupatta and a soft cotton bottom. So for 990 it's a very much worth a buy. See, a very lengthy dupatta and a very comfortable dupatta also, which is priced only at 990. So we have got one more print. So this is the next print you will be getting. So all the set comes with the red color bottom. This is the bottom, soft cotton bottom, and this is the top you will be getting, and this is the dupatta, a fully batik dyed soft cotton dupatta. So this is how the set looks. A very comfortable soft cotton top with a soft cotton dupatta and a soft cotton bottom. So this is priced only at 990. So the items which I have shown you today are all priced at 990. If you like to book any of the item, please directly log into our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 91766411794. I will meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.